Hey guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. So today I'm excited that we're going to do an experiment with some gold canvases. Now this is a regular canvas that I've actually just spray painted with gold, and I'm using a Rust-Oleum Bright Coat metallic finish. I'll put a link in the description below to this exact product and where you can find it. And you have seen people do this with gold leaf and coat the canvas with that. And then my experience with gold leaf has been very difficult. It's hard to put on, it flakes off, it's very messy. And then also when you do a paint pour on top of it, it's very hard to not have that flake off, right? Because it's just sticking on there with glue and it's just not a stable surface. So I'm trying an experiment with this gold spray paint. So let's see what happens. So I'm just putting down some puddles here, and I'm going to test out this color palette, which I think goes really well with gold, just to see what happens and how it dries. Now, after I did this exact blowout, I decided, of course, to change my mind after I stopped filming. And so I added a little more paint and changed the composition a little bit. So this is kind of what I ended up with. I really love the sheen of the gold so far. So good. I'm so excited to watch this dry. So after this has dried for a couple of days, this is the final result. So you'll see the gold is still super shiny underneath. There are a couple of things that I don't love so much, but it's not really a deal breaker for me. One being that it's sort of hard for the paint to adhere to the sides of the pour. So you'll see some of the gold popping through on the edges, which I think actually adds a little dimension. I kind of like that. And you'll see also at the top where the sort of slickness of the spray paint has actually caused the paint to sort of fall off in some spots. So all in all, I am convinced I'm gonna try a few more videos with this technique. If you wanna see that, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. I think in my next video, I will do one that actually has a composition I like, and I'm gonna try to varnish it and see how the varnish adheres to this spray paint. Well, that's all the time I have for today. I will see you next time.